Hey everyone, Kevin again, and welcome to episode 9 of the 2D game tutorial. Last time we created this main menu scene, and this time we're going to create a lose and win scene. Alright, let's get to it. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go to File, and we're going to want to save this, because this scene isn't saved, and if we make a new scene, it'll delete all our progress, and that would really suck. So then we're going to right click, going to create scene, and we're going to name this win scene. Make sure that the spelling is exactly the same. We're going to need this for a later episode. Go ahead and open that scene and right click and create a UI canvas. We're going to name this canvas game over canvas. There we go. And then in this canvas, we're going to right click, we're going to UI text element. Perfect. Now we're going to do the same thing we did last time. We're going to increase the text size to 40, and we're going to center it both ways. And then we're going to set the flow to overflow on both of these. And we're going to say, you win, in the text box with an exclamation point. After this, we're going to add an image to the canvas. Go to UI, click it, go to UI, click on image. We're going to name this image background. Make sure the text is below the background, or else you won't be able to see the text at all. Alright, so we're going to click on background, and we're going to click on this anchor. And we're just going to click this bottom right one so it could fill our whole screen. Then we're going to set these transforms to 0, 0, 0, and 0. Now it should fill the whole screen. Next, we're going to set the color. I'm going to set the color to a very specific blue. You can go ahead and set it to whatever you want, but this is what I like. After this, we're going to add a button. So just right click, go to UI, and go down to button, and set the Y pause to -75. And then we're just going to change the text. We're going to click down here, go to text. I'm going to set this to, we're going to put this try again, question mark. And now we have a win scene. Cool. So we're going to save this, and we need to do this all over again with the lose scene. But we don't want to go through all this work, so we're going to take care of this through a useful command. You can go down here to the scenes folder and click win scene. If you're on Windows, you can press Control D. If you're on Mac, you can press Command D. And we get this duplicate. We're going to rename this to lose scene. We're going to open it up. You should have the exact same thing. But the only thing we're going to change is the background, which I will set to a very specific color of red. And we're going to change the text from you win to you lose. Cool. That's the end of this tutorial. See you next time.